How's it going, everybody? So, that's the background on why we're making this video. Growing up, my dad is just crazy about old cars, so that's all we would hear growing up. Different makes, models. One would go by and he'll name 20 details about the car that no one even cares about, right? So, anyways, when I was like 6 or 7 years old, he had a car, a 1966 Chevelle. It ran, it was put together, and then all of a sudden he decided he wanted to restore it. So he started taking it apart, put it in the garage, completely disassembled, started buying new parts. Those are coming in, getting stacked into the garage. You know, fenders are hanging from the ceiling, there's an engine in the corner. But long story short, over the last 20 years or so, he has never been able to put the thing back together and get it running. And, you know, he's done things with it, he sold it, he doesn't even have it anymore. Grant will kind of go through a little bit of that.
So my dad ended up selling everything. He sold all his parts, he sold the body, absolutely everything. But he also, what many people don't know is that he actually sold the engine to that car. I think that was like one of the first things he sold off. And he sold it to help me basically start my basketball career. Not many people know that. But trying to keep it short, we always wanted to give back since we were kids. So as a way to say thank you and that we love you, we ended up buying the exact car that he used to have, the same make, same model, same year, everything. And we talked about it since we were kids. We're finally in a position to do it. And we actually fly out next week to actually go give it to him as a late Father's Day present. We're actually having the car shipped out. So stay tuned.
What up, everybody?
What's up? What's up?
So we got the inspection back for the 1966 Chevelle that we are purchasing my father. Let's take a look.
Let's dive in.
Here it is, 1966 Chevelle, that burnt orange.
Beautiful car. It's actually the color he was going to paint his car when he did finish it.
What up, Pops?
What up, what up, what up?
We just got to the bank. Gonna make this wire transfer. Get this car on the road.
See you soon, man. We just completed the wire transfer.
Money's on the way.
Super excited. Love you. Hello. So I just got off the phone with my dad. Wished him a happy Father's Day. Told him I wish I could be there. All this good stuff. Safe to say that he has absolutely no idea still, which is fantastic. But I gave him, I wrote him a letter. He's probably in the process of reading it right now because I told him to read it. But I gave him a subtle hint to look out for a package. So, I don't know, I'm just kind of keeping him on a string and obviously looking forward to the day that we actually give him the car. Just going to be one of the most memorable things in my life. So I'm looking forward to it, and I just cannot wait.
Hey, Pop, we just want to say that we love you. Happy Father's Day. Delivering the car. Had some complications, so we got to tow it over there. But it's on the way, Pops.
What's up, man?
What?
Hey.
What is that? Oh my gosh, it's... What did you guys do? What did you... Happy Father's Day, man. And then we got the title. What did it? How did you know?